Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. I hope you're all well. I've just passed 1800 subscribers, which is good. It's cool. At the end of my last video I said I was going to do the next video on scenery, but it isn't the case. Why? I've just bought myself a locomotive and there's a few other little bits I want to show you. Also, during starting the kitchen decorating, I found some railway layout plans from 2008, and you'll see the connection between the drawings and parts of Buckland Junction. So so these are the plans that I found hidden away behind the kitchen cabinet. So they're dated to 2008, I think that was. And yeah, it was over-planned, really over-planned. I couldn't fit all this into the loft unless I went to O-gauge, but I'll give you a quick run by from the sidings and the lower local branch line. Station, estuary bridges, tunnels. Another station, Elmington. This is very similar actually in this corner to Buckland Junction, but I've got 4 lines going through the chimney breast. I mean, that is really over designed, isn't it? But you can see there's marked out in sections, and I'll show you these sections now. And I'll leave all the drawings at the end of the video if you want to look into them and magnify them to just get some ideas for yourself. It's quite odd really, because this diagram layout has the same issues that Buckland Junction has got. It's only got one reversing loop in the whole lot, which is, yeah, it's my mistake, only one reversing loop, and this is obviously a Y junction, this one. So the fault was there in the planning. And yeah, until I got this layout built, I didn't realise I made a big cock up, but I am going to work it out how to get around it. Reversing loop in the whole lot, which is a no-no. I realised this after building Buckland Junction. I've only got one reverse loop. I'm going to have to work hard to get over that. So yeah, this problem has been built in for years. So let's have a look at this corner now. And again, like Buckland Junction, it's coming out of a hillside tunnel coming across. Look at that, it's very similar to the old Triangle Bridge, isn't it? Going through the chimney breast, 4 roads. I mean, crikey. So it is a little bit like the corner, the northeast corner, but this has got like a marsh, boggy valley. So yeah, so I did plan to come in front of the chimney breast, not the way I have done it. So yeah, that's the corner. The north section, a road going over and under both of the railway lines, station, and you can see that the signal box is split between the 2 pieces of paper. But yeah, the hill disappearing around the back of a hill. Nice bridge, look, lovely bridge. And another tunnel, not in view, but you can see it's another tunnel. Okay, the next bit. Amazing. Some good ideas. Isn't finished. This is the last one to show you. But isn't this a little bit Buckland Junction? It's not the Buckland Junction. It's not the same, but you can see the idea is there. The imagination is yeah, look, I've got doors in the arches of the tunnel, and the bridge very similar but not the same way round. But yeah, I put some thought into this, and that's why Buckland Junction is what it is. Buckland Junction. So yeah, let me show you what the next video is and why. The scenery work is going to start from the wood yard. As you can see, the scenery just stops from this wood yard all the way around the north side of the railway. Really every part of this, including mostly the cuttings. They're just pure chalk, and they shouldn't be. They should have grass and foliage growing out of them. Apart from the cliffs, will stay white as they're always falling into the sea. But yes, these have all got to be brought down and weathered. Also with this part, the railway cuttings here have got to be in a terrible mess because they're like 150 years old, and the top of the cliff needs putting on. You can see a sneaky bit that I've been doing up there. So yeah, finishing up on the cliff. Yes, I've been treating myself to a few things. I know you're going to love my next locomotive. It's an express steam locomotive. I've also bought some big D couplings, Hornby ones. I'll be fitting them to certain things like the back of the Sentinel and the back of the J94. Because I have been having troubles with coming off the track with trucks you know, jamming up, so I'm going to try these. The other thing I've bought is this. Yeah, this is what I bought. Not the Sentinel, the tanker. Let me just have a little closer look, because I've always wanted one of these, the Castrol. And I bought it from Brian. A lot of us will know Brian. He's just opened up a new website. He's selling wagons at a reasonable price. I bought this for £5 and it's in tip-top condition. The only thing I did was I changed the wheels for Dapol 3-hold wheels. Metal ones on metal axles. It runs like a dream. It will find any gradient and just roll away. So please go and have a look at Brian's new site. The links are down below to take you straight to his site, but don't do it yet until the end of the video. So oh, excuse me, ow. Oh, right, take her away then, Sentinel. What a lovely machine. So the J94 has got its new Big D NEM coupling put on. So let's send her off to see if she can get her milk tankers. Let's see what happens. Well, darling, off you go. Ah, that sounds good. Now let's have a look, see if the hooks are matching. Yes, both hooks are in and working fine. Yeah, both hooks are engaged, both tension locks are engaged, so hopefully we'll have no more derailments from her. Right. When it comes to J94, she's done about 10 laps now with her new coupling. And she's being as good as gold. Yeah, she's good. With a big D on the back, although you can't really tell when it's in motion. So, if in doubt, have a run session. It's got to be done. Yes. Any more? Oh dear, something's off. What's off? Come on, come out the tunnel. Come on, come out the tunnel. Ah, it's the this Blackmore Vale's come off. Hang on, Blackmore Vale. Let's put you back on, darling. Yeah, you're really off, aren't you? Oh, you never can tell. There's Blackmore Vale. Anybody else coming? Amazing, after about 100 laps he decides to come off. Alright, here comes the S15. Yes. He's overdue for a service. Right. Shit. Whoa. Just leaves some. Just leaves the class 20. There we go. I've had my run session. Very enjoyable. Scenic work starts tomorrow, and it definitely will be in the next video. Wow. Sorry it's a short video, but it's an in-betweeny video. I can't wait to get on with the scenery. I've already got an anchoring for it now. Please consider coming over to Patreon, link down below. I've only got one Patreon member, rather than joining up via YouTube, because I just don't get anything. So wow, take care, good people. Scenery next. On and out. Take care. Bye-bye. As always, take care. On and out.